OKFM 101.7.
Yeah, so let's come back to Parliament again. What's him? Hello?
Meet you.
Parliament again. So, Muslim Mammy, it's him. So, now, Thursday, and a few than a copy and an alternate number copy and 137. May I describe it as a nullity? Why is catch as a nullity? Null void. The principle Musi versus Bajina. The principle in Musi versus Bajina can say, Nina ya kwa. That's another year and I don't because we share 104 no crossing or they say we need to fan. Never to about. Babe CIA the coach CIA no. Never 137. It's now we know fan should be 137 and a half. Nipa so half him, so it should be 138. At him casa near being a misuki casa be said, oh, near being in a basha brega. I am Kobesie, Sabakaya. I use this expression. Kobesie. Now back to base, I could be taxi. Let me say, a quiet son of Bobby Snitch. Nay, I use director Samuel, and I know Banada the Kushia. Maybe some Banada and Yenny, no Banada the Kushia. The Kushiano, the Yaha at Yasan 138. It's in fulfillment of the Constitution. Never twaba. Now people are also saying, I don't think that Joe Wise to be. Remember Joe Wise as a sort to be. Why? Because you see, the premise of the Constitution, no, ASS speaker, no, it is our free amanu kubia. It is the premise of the Constitution, no, the reason or the rationale. Our speaker, no, more from amanu kubia. Santina, doja who, or from amanu kubi by MP na be no. Osane call nachi ma bekoto aba ma for formation na. But premise can say deputy speaker or also the more from Yokubia. I think that with these things in no, e may who seem to be away your constitution. E may who nyama bi as that going forward no. Yes me ye kura no. Because ni aba we no yen share the bizda. Enti aba no. I think that Democrats in this country no will be thinking say hey and I said that man Sadia and the deputy speaker no so I say oni unframa nyoko bia mu a that one also is possible. All right, no back to here now 138 because you see what they did was in line with the Constitution and you know come bibian chiai no kwanso an it is obvious man opese kwanso mama ni yana me born so you be stamina because never is in line with the provisions of the Constitution. And to that extent, the judge say yes, we are proper, we are valid. Now, market it even better. Not just a four, no, please, with due respect. Ghana, Mesro, your parliament, you know, when Munyampa, Sabi, we are so, we are say, parliament, when Munyam, a word dinner, Ghana, the account. And peace, as a sub to Sansan Grobinuma Binibia Grono, Madam Fan Kogana Parliament. So, Nanya Jasafa, Nay in Papa Fro. Now, come on, 2021, Ghana. Now, as a grand bed you, Sasha bed you, Sasan then Nikon. No, Abba, come on, Abba. I'm simply happy to say, you love, you know, but about yourself. I'm going to look. I'm going to be this for me. That you never can say, never to put the money come out. They should not trade the impression, sir. Me MPP, intimate, sir. Me be because MPP be amate. Me NDC MP. No, you live, you know. Baba,
what's the standing orders, no, or the 48, you know? 48, you know. Can't send be say. Nipano say unya kwatena ho a you loses the right to cast a vote. What be speaker? Omo kra address wa omo say Mr. Speaker. And no kwari me kwati ba ku bi say Joe say we should say onye the speaker but oye a speaker. And so I from kwari me
you see something others in subsidiary legislation. Subsidiary. Parent law only the Constitution of Ghana. The parent law, which lawyers will call the Granum. The Granum parent law, Ghana Constitution. Nti yasha Ghana Constitution ni yadi yakasa. Yasha Ghana Constitution 104 and yadi yakasa. Because I know what you know, a certain black and white speaker no only voting right. That explains why a speaker can say obetimi impeach president. No boa because you don't have a voting right. So sisters and so you are not a parliamentarian. And to that extent, if the constitution says parliamentarians and obetimi a passive vote of no confidence to impeach the president, you are just a conveyor belt. Then that doesn't give you a voting right. So that issue no because oh boy, senior wadabraka. Senior no automatic pams and panasam. No senior wadabrako. So okay, one of the characters NDC me pay masam pam. Bankumbo, Nis of Hussein, Baben, Haruna, and Yusu. No, me probably know something. But you see, whether you are discussing. So I disagree. That is my position. Now, some people are arguing, sir, the Beko court. And I yes, sir. But I think I say yes, sir,
aye.
So better Beko court. All right. Court to
because my main kind article, standing orders, 48, main kind clause 1 say the presence of at least 1/3 of all the members of parliament besides the person presiding. The word is besides the person presiding shall be necessary to constitute a quorum of the house. It is not just
the constitution of a quorum is different from voting.
Okay.
Constitution for a quorum.
But I know okay, besides the person presiding, and next say, so you're a member of parliament, we are the speaker, whoever no, you free, including voting.
Deputy speaker from the spirit and the letter of what you have said. So we are deputy speaker, we can quorum one. Ghana quorum no the only one we 270 something no. Quorum no be 90 something.
And if I join a voting no I just say
104.
104.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wo there be call me afidi e krata no bi ni mani bi. Ani ni oti e bi apa o mi ehwe. Voting no 1041. And you know, we say 1041 kwa so say ni safo. That kira say voting.
My main king kan Emma 104 What's it? 104. What's it? Vote of censure and removal from office. 104 na making you. The House may pass a resolution to remove the president, the vice president, blah 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 blah, and a vote of censure on the Minister of State. The House may consider such a resolution and come to a decision and refer to a committee on a motion made by any member.
Nyanwa. Nyanwa. Mlasha 104.
You might okay.
Min kita biwa but o status o kana min kita biwa ba
okay me na media ma
mari bebre baba gumtim kayan kora mari na baba nti wahu o sha 104 now what you were making reference to me your quorum
bajo eye 108 sorry
yeah then you were reading 108 I'm talking about 104
there be 108 voting in parliament or free article 104 of the constitution what's it
I understand call 104, call 104, call 108, call 1041.
1041, okay. Standing orders and answer constitution.
Constitution, I'm talking about constitution.
Okay. Okay, me ba choma koye de eni nkomo mebie eni sisi ya.
Ata, oda wo ya no maba betibo nchan bi bemie manhwe.
Mate.
Bemie manhwe.
Mate.
So 1041 no can voting. And when it says voting, it's voting. When the words are clear and unambiguous, you don't need to resort to interpretative that is when we go to court. You see, if you want to go to Supreme Court for interpretation, because yes, Supreme Court especially when you want to go to court for interpretation. Because the Supreme Court, in a good number of cases, actually say, when the words are clear and unambiguous, you don't go to the Supreme Court for interpretation. You only go to the Supreme Court for interpretation, under maybe Article 2 of Ghana's Constitution, for enforcement, for this, for that. But when the words are clear and unambiguous, you don't go to the Supreme Court for interpretation. Because these other cases, maybe somebody will go to the Supreme Court and say, all right.
Article 104, Constitution of the Constitution, voting in Parliament.
Yeah.
Except as otherwise provided in this Constitution, matters in Parliament shall be determined by votes of the majority of members present and voting, with at least half of all the members of Parliament present.
Perfect.
Afei, the Speaker shall neither an original nor cast vote. But no. Say you can't Speaker no. And what the Hashem says Speaker. When need to me. And
when the Constitution says Speaker is Speaker, it doesn't make reference to Deputy Speaker.
But by that time now, we are voting a question. Where you Speaker?
Or a Deputy Speaker, because it doesn't qualify. Say,
one bar.
Yeah, it doesn't qualify.
Say, or presiding over proceedings in Parliament.
But that doesn't give you the gap on or your Speaker, Cito Sensu.
No. Say, Parliament is House of Records. It is a trial. Say, it was presided by the Deputy Speaker. And one more address it, one can say, Mr. Deputy Speaker, there be a Mr. Speaker. And Bibia obey Tian Biano, so obey the Speaker Bian, Uyetia or no swa, it constitutes and Bibia, say why yetia or no.
Good. Nobody Speaker, nobody parliamentarian, meaning a contentious. But obey body namuno, a contentious. But doesn't give him the gap, say. Or your Speaker. Look, it's like that. Man, not to cry, not continue actually. Man, not to cry. But
Metiasio, but Assembia, continue to adjudicate you, whom be assembled by him fear.
About him fear.
And at signal.
It doesn't make continue my hand to Sakonia Tuntum do a hole. No, Sakonia Tuntum no.
Because I'm a penny to cry. Na obeba sabia mantepania to kwan okọ USC no obeba ne bia His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia wayi minister bi ehọ a ped niema bia waya wayi no.
Yeah, I said vice president now. I'm on a opportunity, but as a vice president, he cannot appoint high commissioners and ambassadors, even though he's the acting president.
Anei, what do you mean chemu kakra? Enti say the Speaker, this is your better key. No, Deputy Speaker, but now yeah, want him to take care.
Because you see, the lawmakers in specifically Speaker, Betty Speaker, certain lawmakers say Speaker on Kaman Yokubiahu, Deputy Speaker on Kaman Yokubi. The framers of the Constitution in the cancer. The framers Constitution, like I said, Speaker on Kaman Yokubiahu. As a Speaker, no crowd said Doa Jahua. About your personal create by elections. Because on Kaman Yokubiahu. It doesn't mean that.
Me reading here, you know, 104 no, clause 2 no.
I know you are talking about quorum. As for quorum, the other team no. Shall 102. 102, shall 102. Ubenya quorum no so 102.
Abi say nane problem na ko ba ye. Say speaker no do baby crowd was say I'm not the speaker. I'm a member of parliament. Now almost now to why dey.
He is a member of parliament.
Now to why dey. But say who could preside over proceedings in parliament there.
Automatically make you a speaker veto sensu. Because veto sensu just in certain legal terms. And my own speaker. As a Biama power for Tony. Say, shall I my chili mammy? I'm out of attorney to me.
Me bow. Bibia. Pato ruling beer. Nane, ruling beer. Deputy Speaker no ebebia is binding because Parliament is House of Records.
Yes, the speaker censor doesn't make him speaker per se.
Meaning, by decision beer obebia no.
So it is like the president and the vice president. Appointment of chief justice by the president in consultation with the Council of State. Not the president took on here. Element as a vice president in consultation with the Council of State.
Me bacho me bo.
Can appoint the chief justice.
Me bacho me bo. Speaker, aye adie. Emma, wo ba ye no in your capacity as the deputy
speaker.
And the deputy speaker no was so overturning that rule. Meaning that say with that cloak of that speakership no bibia obeye bia no to me no at said the speaker na atwa pepepe anamboa
and there be as you are stretching it to a certain level, you don't stretch it to that level.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, everything I'm gonna say Constitution of Ghana as a president in consultation with the Council of State or appoint the chief justice, and just president call you as a vice president consultation with Council of State can do that. Because the premise of the Constitution, but the name of the British in Senin Nankabla me brase, Mama Yan Twabo, Yanni DCO, Yan Twabo, and Camebre. Because the premise of the Constitution here says, President na essay on nominity, na assembly na to abandon. And to that extent, no me per se, status quo no SSA. Say I am Twabani DC na president there. This is one mandate a provision in the Constitution. Until that is done. Because in our cases, you know, the premise of the Constitution, that is who near the Constitution club of drawn, drawn via 1992. No. Miracle no. Nyama bi kwa no best as a amendment or Constitution. Now you are talking about speaker no, deputy speaker no. Already no man can just say legally no. 137 na beto abafida no. It was a nullity. In a legal terms. A nullity. As if nothing.
Nane, you almost say there have been a precedent. Professor Michael Quay etiedwem as Speaker of Parliament. No almost say to challenge Samye men and there must be say obi ebe challenge because one more call no obi akotro ni din they were days and e bin mo asoreko it is abre no kwa one more put at the end to vote you know there must be somebody there to challenge say me pa cho Mr. Speaker me draw attention to say you inform quorum to vote on these matters and obi anwa obey throw that challenge to the speaker and I'll draw speaker attention.
Once again, the decision in Mosi and Bagina, Mosi versus Bagina, and other decided cases. I am material. It is like a matter to say, cause for matter affecting chieftains and some Odiako court. Nani Pakwana or Samana no. What a piece of no more bunkro.
Because I say a bra majority for no sorry. One crack, it's presumed the same one sorry be a more yes a caucus meeting or whatever you come back and you know you know speaker no adwene mu de when you say almost sorry per the time of voting no money ho no what you mu say what you mu say mo ho man krasa be a boycott proceedings ana bibisa.
Once again, let's visit the Constitution. The Grand Norm says, the day you're voting, is only half, and a half should be 138. Constitution, no sign, that's the Grand Norm. It is Obi draw be attention. Obi and be attention. Obi control the didn't view. Obi ko Jan and Nano. Obi ko gun show. Obi ko numun show. Obi kopu be a guan and no kopua. The Grand Norm, the Constitution says half and it's half. Constitution means cancer. No better than no peer. And then you'll be a deputy. The Constitution says 104. Speaker census or the half. It is something that I say, "Odi biaba no foya, biaba no koano." Material. So what I said, bian ro be attention. Because the Constitution says half. Biaba all no kogun suaba at a time and about to abano. Bido kogun suaba. No, the Constitution says half, and it's half. And half is 137 and half, which is not possible to say you need per half until you make it 138. And so that is the Joe we should cut national. Yes, Friday. Friday, what took place in law, we call it as a nullity. Null and void. You're more massive, you're no more about to cost it and as Cosaru. No? It is so Ramako Bandano. Even it's a very, for me, it's good. When you Sinadia, MPC Sinadia, Yaya 110 years Sinadia, Baba Press the Constitution, Unquenny Sinadia, Baba Press the Constitution, the amendment, and so on, the Sinadia. So in future occurrence be ever by then. Every I bet like I said, next time around the young man didn't answer, Deputy Speaker or only party, yeah. Whether you have a speaker, only party, yeah, Deputy Speaker, so. Only part there. Well, now you're this idea. And it is good. It is good because what they took to you are saying, I'm not gonna be an air come, Sanwa. And you're good. Now, my mamma will be so. My good friend Haruna Idrisu, honorable, no, your press conference. And who said no be 30 so here. Not just an agency.
What, Eva?
Na otechiri ebanua na oginachiri
na wayachi
unzo na caucus no minority caucus no na be a press conference if I am so no ka tiefo bebre ahwehwehwe na obi techiri na osem so osema why you say minority caucus a press conference. So the communication director of a party in opposition, party function, like the MPP majority in parliamentary press conference, me Obiri Boaheen me si say, Jambo bi si say, oye ba kwa no ko ho. Ya ntimi and draw line ye. Ya de yen bibia say oh, we need to be very careful in this country. Because if minority caucus area press conference is a minority caucus. If it is a majority caucus, majority caucus. If it is the NDC, it's the NDC. Minority caucus, your members of NDC, they can be there. If it's the MPP, majority caucus, they are members of the MPP, they can be there. But if it is a press conference meant for minority caucus or majority caucus, you don't expect Obiri Boaheen or Jambo or Fred Blade to be there. And then Obi really should be man say, who said, na NDC for no Friday na ashedu katia no ho NDC for pen for na ada na man could be number the position of the law, the nature of our constitution says member of parliament, you are member of parliament already in pet o party no ahu odana won so no so be that exercise here the partyship either the majorityship or the majorityship it be wura no mu Aba wura dan nim no na se be jam ho no enye chairman of the MPP mega say e be gina ba bi coordinate ayi bi ti say ayi akwana obo no nyonto te no ye fi tuo bodom so ye o kai sa clip na ye fi tuo bodom o ye teacher ni na no ye yina. We don't do that. What members of parliament majority they go wura dan nim kuro A majority leader and the majority should. It is not the president of the Republic of Ghana who is the president, who is the leader of the New Patriotic Party. Because the three organs of government, I say you shouldn't ye. So who didn't get them to MPs? Now the Quaco debate budget and ra. It is so Obiri Boaheen. Debbie. We must respect that institution, parliament. It's an institution itself. It's an institution itself. By virtue of the executive MPB minister. MP minister. And that is the more reason why I said, look, understand what a problem is. You see, your constitution itself, majority of the president, ministers, should come from parliament. And that is wrong. So, ugly competition, party primaries, so MPP primary show, NDC primary show, ugly competition, and because there's a likelihood to be minister or deputy minister. Some a constitution. That's it. MPP majority, NDC minority. So we all want to be fair to ourselves. Because there be caution when you film. Now you can president and answer. Now president no unfettered right or probably here for parliament or person in free. Into that clause and say majority should come from parliament.
Okay. Nana, mama na wase won. Na me nkwa ye adwuma bi nsomra. Why?
Yo okay ne oni nyamentra ne ba betiem nyina. Bani nyamentra. Ndase.
Mi wi amefre so why?
Medase yo mate.
Mes medase. Nana Obiri Boaheen, Buru Champion na Deputy General Secretary, Edema Osunu Kokurku amanyuku awodi aban MPP.
OKFM 101.7.